I chose to come to Presence Health because I saw a lot of opportunities here for me. When I first interviewed with the management and my future partner, I felt like it was a place where I can grow my career.
I had very good, very positive experience from the day one when I started interview and negotiations with the recruiting crew. And fortunately, that gut feeling that I had from the first time actually came out to be correct. Working with Presence Health system is a very positive experience without having any political pressures, influences, and friendly recommendations. They just let you do your job with a full backup with staff and the resources that you need in order to perform your daily duties.
For our physicians who are both affiliated and employed, there's a culture of loyalty here that's incredibly strong, and there's also a culture of autonomy. People here really want to have sort of the control in practicing medicine the way they want to, but they really want to do the right things for the institution and the right things for the patient.
I think the strongest asset here is the responsiveness of the administration to physician voice. I'm very passionate about being a private practice physician and being able to practice the way that we want to be able to practice in conjunction with certain healthcare entities like Presence Health.
The things that struck me about Presence Health was they seemed to be fairly well organized administratively and financially. They would allow me the freedom to practice the way I wanted, but also access to resources to allow me to provide patients care outside of my realm of specialty or expertise. I'm in an office with several primary care physicians. On the first floor, there's a multidisciplinary women's clinic. There's imaging available within the same building. There's an urgent care for patients that have medical conditions that require urgent or immediate care within the same building that has extended hours beyond. So if we're all booked up for whatever reason, they can't get an appointment with myself or one of my partners, there's still access in the same location on the same EMR.
What I really enjoy about working here is that this institution really has a dedication towards providing high-quality care to our patients, as well as being an excellent resource for medical training for future doctors and nurses. Mentorship is definitely present here at Presence Health in that, for example, in our residency program, we try to institute education for young physicians and medical students about how things like clinical integration and improvement of quality measures is impacting the future of healthcare.
Presence Health is incredibly well positioned to meet the changing world of healthcare. With our 4,000 affiliated physicians, all of our hospitals, physician practices, and especially the continuum, we have all the pieces to put together to where we can really effectively manage populations. Our information technology strategy for population-based care is second to none. And I think in terms of the level of physician engagement that we're seeing and the amount of innovation, we have the right people, the right strategy, and the right culture to be very successful in raising quality and taking cost out of the system. That's good for the patients, that's good for the physicians, and that's good for our community.
I love what I'm doing. I like my profession, and this is what I wanted always to be, and this is what I would choose again.